Welcome, learners. My name is Rahul Kumar, and I am an assistant professor of English at NBGSM College, Son. Today, we are going to read a poem by P.B. Shelley, and the title of the poem is England in 1819. So, let's start. First, we are going to talk about the poet Percy Bell Shelley. He was a romantic poet. He was revolutionary in his ideas and thoughts. His famous works are Ozymandias, Ode to the West Wind, To a Skylark, and many more. So let's discuss the background of the poem. The poem was written as an anguish against Peterloo massacre, which occurred due to multiple factors such as harsh corn laws, economic slump, and unemployment. During Peterloo massacre, 18 people died and 400 to 700 people were injured when cavalry charged into a crowd of around 6 lakh people, 60,000 people, who had gathered to demand the reform of parliamentary representation. Corn laws were passed and enforced between 1815 and 1846 in England. The chief aim was to reduce import of wheat-related products to favor domestic produce. This made bread costly for the bottom 90% of England's population. So due to this harsh corn laws, people were angry about the costly bread, and this led to this movement. So now we are going to talk about the text of the poem. An old, mad, blind, despised and dying king, princes the dregs of their dull race, who flow through public scorn, mud from a muddy spring, rulers who neither see nor feel nor know, but leech-like to their fainting country clinch till they drop, blind in blood, without a blow. In these lines, Shelley is referring to the ruler of England at that time, that is George III. He is described as an old, mad, blind, despised and dying king. He is old and he's incompetent. He's blind and people used to hate him for his governance. His sons, the princes of England, they were also drags. They were also incompetent like their father. And people used to hate them also. They are being referred to as mud from a muddy spring, because the king as well as his sons, they were all good for nothing and they didn't care about people's welfare. Ruler who neither see or nor feel nor know. They were not conscious of people's needs and welfare. They are being compared to leech, like they used to suck blood of people. Next stanza. A people starved and stabbed in the untilled field, an army whom liberticide at prey makes as a two-edged sword to all wield. Golden and sanguine laws which tempt and slay, religion priceless, godless, a book sealed, a senate time's worst statue, unrepealed, are graves from which a glorious phantom may burst to illumine our tempestuous day. In these lines, the poet is referring to Peterloo massacre, in which many people were died, many people were killed, and many others they were injured. And the army, they are the crusher of liberty, freedom. They are being referred to as two-edged sword to those who wield, because the main aim of the army is to protect the kingdom. But here in this case, the army, they are not protecting their people, but they are attacking them. Now, religion priceless, godless, a book sealed. Here Shelley he's critiquing the religion, Christianity. Here he is saying that nowadays people are not following the principles of Bible. Moreover, the parliament, they are not making sound and just laws. They are not thinking of justice and people's welfare. And he believed that in the end he said that there will be a revolution there will be a change, because people will stand up and fight against the unjust law. Thank you.